We are two retired expats living in Bulgaria. We love to travel and experience the world. Today we're going to Nessebar, Bulgaria. City gate, you will find a maze of cozy cobblestone streets with unique artisan shops. Experience a time journey of several distant eras, surrounded by remnants of the Thracian ports, Roman baths, Byzantine fortress walls, old Bulgarian churches, Ottoman mills, Renaissance houses, and modern establishments. Sounds amazing. Let's visit it together. Stopped at the Neptune right next to the water for a really nice lunch. There's nobody here.
No tourists?
There's no tourists here right now. This is what you call karma. It's a typical Bulgarian lunch. This one, they have an egg, sausage, and a variety of other kinds of spices. It's like a stew, but Bulgarian style. And with it, we got French fries, coleslaw, and this is also another typical Bulgarian bread that it's like a flat bread that they put olive oil and usually garlic. Traveling to Bulgaria or vacation in one of the nearby seaside resorts, you should take a day to visit this unique UNESCO heritage site. It is a must side trip if you're staying in Sunny Beach Resort. You can take the small boat across the bay, you can take a bus, a taxi, or you can actually just walk the Old Town Peninsula. July and August, it is extremely crowded in the evening, but don't let that stop you. Make sure you have dinner in one of these beautiful cliff-hanging restaurants overlooking the sea. Most of them are good, but our favorite is Plankamoto. It has great food, has a mesmerizing view. You will even get to dine under a 100-year-old fig tree. When you order a vodka tonic here in Bulgaria, this was 100 grams, it's probably about 3.5 to 4 shots. You get a separate glass with ice. You get your own little ice pincher, your glass, mixing glass, and a full bottle of tonic. Beat that. If you're planning to spend the night, you need to check out the Villa Azura. This is where we usually stay every time. It's well located, has comfortable beds, and it has spacious, cozy rooms. It is a small island that now is connected with a 400-meter road to the mainland. In the beginning, it was a small fishing village inhabited by the Thracians. It has 2 ports where the remains of the ancient vessels are still found today. Around the 6th century BC, it became a Greek colony, and many Greeks settled here. They carried their culture and knowledge. Without much resistance. The relocation of the capital to Constantinople provided a new strong development due to its proximity to the main city of the empire. Christianity set a new era in the construction of temples and basilicas. The central church was named after Saint Sophia, similar to that in Constantinople. Today, the most well-preserved are the fortress walls of the city gate, which were built around the 5th century during Byzantine rule. In 812, Nessebar for the first time is under Bulgarian authority. Tsar Krum conquered it from Byzantine. A large part of the cultural heritage of Nessebar can be seen in the museum, so if you have time, it's definitely a worth visit.